Welcome back to BQ Garage. We're down here at VIP Autosport in Bangkok. They've got some amazing cars down here, Lamborghinis, Ferraris, everything. So let's have a quick walk around and yeah, hit them up. I'll put the link in the description. They sell these cars, they don't hire them or anything. So I've already asked. I was hoping to hire a Lambo for cruising around Bangkok and heading up north, but it didn't happen. But yeah, give the video a thumbs up if you like it. Yeah, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and yeah, sit back and relax and enjoy the video. Let's go. How nice is this Rolls Royce? Beautiful. Big wheels. So good. Got the sunroof. Ferrari though. Haven't seen one of these in Bangkok before, but this is beautiful. Big wheels, big brakes. Very nice. GT3 RS. How's those wheels, eh? Popular little car here in Thailand. This GT3 has got the roll cage in it. Very nice. That's Maserati. Old Ferrari. Sensational body lines there on the door. Let's go up and have a look at what they've got here. So yeah, hit them up. I'll put the link in the description. VIP Autosport. How would you like to be cruising down Bangkok with this Ferrari 430? Beautiful. Let the engine roar away between the buildings in Bangkok. Beautiful. Sensational. Two beautiful cars here. So if you're in Bangkok and you want to buy a Lambo, Porsche, Ferrari, you name it, even a Mazda might be more in my budget, but yeah, hit up VIP Autosport Bangkok. I'm sure they'll do you a ripper deal for a decent car if you're into this sort of vehicle. So yeah, anyways, thanks for watching this quick video. Thought I'd give you a quick tour of VIP Autosport. Very nice showroom collection that they've got here. It's really beautiful.